So to sell a product or services without a website on Stripe, you need to use the payment link. And to do that, click on the plus icon at the top right of the screen and choose the payment link option over here. On this window, you may then select the first choice if you want to sell a product, services, or a subscription to your client. Then you can choose your product if you already have any, and if there is no product at all, click on Add a New Product right here. You may then add a new product, starting from a name of the product, a description, and an image of your product. Then at the pricing, you may select one-off if it's a one-time pay, so your client just have to pay one time and no other payment following later on. Or you can also select it to be recurring, where a customer have to pay at a certain time, like daily or weekly. This pricing is easily used by those who are offering a subscription. Then you may insert the prices over here as you intended and determine the billing period as you like. The billing period will consist of a certain time, like daily, monthly, or so on. So if you choose on monthly, the customer will be charged every certain date of the month. You may also change the currency of your product from the USD to India rupee, Euro for Europe, England pound sterling, or like a Singaporean dollar. After all of that, click on Add a Product button. On this page, then, you can edit the product quantity, choose if the customer can modify how many products that they want to buy by doing a check mark on the Let Customer Adjust Quantity option. You may also adjust other options over here, which are more appropriate for you. Then you may edit the preview of your payment link by tapping on this button to change the preview on the desktop or on the mobile versions. After that, click on Create Link button. And over here is your payment link of the product that you just added. You may click on this button with the page icon to copy the link. And to sell it to your customer without any website, you can paste it anywhere, the link, like on the WhatsApp chat, Facebook chat, Twitter DM, Telegram DM, or other social media. You can also send it by email if it's the way you do it. And then, when your client or customer open the link that you gave them, this is more or less what they will see. The client then can pay their money and you can get paid from that. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I'll try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.